Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to limit Windows Update bandwidth in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. Now here click on System and here you will see Windows Update, click on it. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Now you have to click on Delivery Optimization. Bandwidth limits for updates, downloads from other devices. So click on it. Now again click on Advanced Options. Now guys, you can limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates. You can limit how much bandwidth as your requirement. In both way, bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background and limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in foreground. So you can change and you can increase the number or decrease the number as your requirement. And also guys, you can select this one percentage of measured bandwidth measured against the update source. So select here and check and you can select from here. So this is the way guys you can limit Windows Update bandwidth in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.